Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a quick way to add those really cool aesthetic borders to the sections of your Squarespace website pages. And I am here to give you the super easy custom code solution that you can literally copy and paste to your website. In this video, I will be showing you how to do this on both Squarespace 7.1 and Squarespace 7.0 templates. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Hey y'all, okay, let's jump right into how to add these awesome borders to your website. So I'm starting right now on a Squarespace 7.1 version website. I will be also showing the 7.0, so you can fast forward to that if you want to see it. So right now I am on this website. As you can see, there are no kind of borders around the different sections on the website. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the design tab and go down to custom CSS. So if you already have code here, you're going to want to make sure to start a new line. Otherwise, you can just start here from the top. But I have pasted the code below in the description. So you're going to want to take the 7.1 version code, and all you're going to do is literally paste it right in here. So as you can see, we already have these lines added in so nicely and easily to your website. So if you want to change, let's say you want to change the thickness, you're going to go in and change this pixel number. So you can just go ahead, go in, kind of play around until you get the thickness that you want. If you want to change the color, so this is the hex color, so you can paste in another hex color, like for instance, I'm going to do white here. It's going to change those borders to white now all over the page. Let's just go back to black just because it's a little bit easier to see on this website. And also, this is a template I'm going to be releasing soon, so super excited for that. If you're loving the layout of this, it will be available to purchase soon. But anyways, if you're not loving, let's say you don't love these side borders, you just want the middle borders, you're going to just come down here to this section and you're going to highlight this line from border right to this semicolon and delete that. And you're going to do the same for border left. Make sure that you don't delete this little bracket, otherwise your code's going to break. But there you can see that's been removed. And let's say you don't want a border like on the header. You're just going to highlight this header text, delete that comma. You still have borders throughout your site, and you can do the same thing with the footer as well. If you don't want a border at the bottom of your footer, you can just go ahead and delete that, and it's been removed. So that is the 7.1 walkthrough. Okay, so for 7.0 Squarespace sites, you're going to see, as you can see, no borders here yet on this website. So you're going to go to your design tab, go to custom CSS. As you can see, I already have code here, so I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom. You only have to make a new line. I'm just going to make it a little more obvious just so you can solely see the code that I'm going to be adding. And then I'm going to paste the code in here that you have copied from the 7.0 code section in the description of this video. So as you can see, we have borders here between each section as well as on the edges of the site. If you want to change the thickness, you're just going to go to the pixel and change it to whatever thickness you want those lines to be. And to change the color, you're going to go to this hashtag, which is the hex color, and you can put whatever hex code color that you want in. As you can see here, I just changed that to white. Back to 0. Perfect. So we're back to black. Now, if you don't want these borders at the edges of the sections, what you're going to do is go down to this lower section where it has main, footer, and header. You're going to highlight from border right all the way to the end of that line, the semicolon, and delete it. And you're going to do the same for the border left all the way to the semicolon. Make sure that you don't highlight and erase this little bracket, otherwise the code's not going to work. So you're just going to delete that. And those side borders have been removed. And you can do the same for both the header and the footer if you don't want lines at the bottom of the header and the bottom of the footer. What you're going to do is just highlight header to remove the header one. back up to the top. There's no more border at the header, and do the same for the footer. If you don't want a border for the footer, you'll click save and it is saved for you. And it is as easy as that. Like I said in the previous part of the video, all of the code is in the description of this video. You can literally copy and paste it and add it to your website. It is so easy and just adds a really cool aesthetic look to your website that Squarespace at the moment can't natively do for you. And if you've reached the end of this video, thanks for watching. My name is Haley. If you don't know me, I am a brand and website designer that specializes in websites and brands for creatives. And I love getting to share education. So if you're interested in learning more about Squarespace websites, how to design websites, being a designer, being a creative, how to create a brand, pretty much anything that goes along with that, I'm going to be creating more and more videos on this YouTube channel that serve you. So please subscribe, follow along, and comment below if you have any ideas that you would like to see me make videos of. But thank you so much for watching.